Legal carry of firearms in Indiana. If you legally carry a gun around, you could still get in trouble if that gun is used while committing a felony under Indiana Code 3550-2-11. So the state of Indiana can file a firearm enhancement on certain felonies. And what that means is that it could increase the penalty range of an existing felony that you're already charged with. So here's an example. Let's say you're charged with kidnapping, which can simply be forcibly removing one person from one place to another against their will. And while you commit that offense, you have a firearm. That right there could get you charged with the firearm enhancement. So not only now are you facing time for kidnapping, but you're also facing an additional 5 to 20 years for the firearm enhancement. And if we look at the statute, the state may seek on a page separate from the rest of the charging instrument that a person who allegedly committed an offense sentenced to an additional fixed term of imprisonment, if the state can show beyond a reasonable doubt that that person knowingly or intentionally used a firearm in commission of that offense. This applies to felonies when you're charged with any offense involving death and a serious bodily injury, kidnapping, criminal confinement, or attempted murder. There's also another situation where you can be charged with a firearm enhancement that involves a situation when you're charged with pointing or discharging at or near a law enforcement officer. So the same statute, a different subsection, says that the state may seek on separate charging information and charge a person who allegedly committed a felony or misdemeanor other than the offense stated above for an additional fixed term of imprisonment if they point a firearm or discharge a firearm at or around a police officer. So this could have huge implications if you're charged with a criminal offense that involves a firearm. So it's important to have experienced attorneys representing you if the state tries to charge you with a firearm enhancement. So call the Marc Lopez Law Firm at 317-632-3642 if you have any questions today. And most importantly, remember, always plead the fifth.